According to the attributive concept, information is an integral part of the world. It is contained in all material objects, and the order and condition of systems depends on its quantity. Based on this, it is important for journalists to ensure the free dissemination of information in order to maintain order in society and successfully solve problems. To confirm the validity of the attributive concept of information, I will rely on the research of authorities from the world of science. One of the scientists in the field of information theory, Claude Shannon, in his work Mathematical Theory of Communication, proposed a mathematical model of information that includes attributes and symbols. He defined information as a measure of uncertainty of a message. There is a sender and a recipient of messages. The sender transmits the information and the recipient accepts it. Both participants use the same set of characters to encode and decode messages.
I'm in your house.
The model proposed by Shannon is applicable to any system that encodes, decodes, transmits, stores, receives messages. Thus, we can consider nature as a source of physical laws, messages, or information, and the process of their discovery as a communication channel. Turning to Luciano Floridi and his philosophy of information. In this book, the author presents the philosophical basis of the attributive concept of information. He argues that information can be understood as a set of attributes that can be used to make decisions. Floridi says that all things in the universe at the most basic level are data structures made up of independent points that have no definite shape. These points look more like ideas than physical objects, so they do not obey the laws of physics. Floridi believes that the world can be viewed as a collection of information objects that interact with each other. That means, at the level of information abstraction, each entity is a data structure, an information object consisting of links between independent points. However, the attributive concept of information faces a paradox. Although information is considered one of the attributes of matter, some of its forms require strict control. Thus, it is necessary to monitor the dissemination of certain types of information, which contradicts the general idea that information cannot be controlled because of its identity with matter. This paradox, which is unique to the attributive concept of information, has not yet been satisfactorily resolved.